Good morning, sir. Myself Nikita Sharma, and I am a student of second sem of MTech Dairy Technology, and I am here to present a presentation on dye reduction test. Index. In index, I have included the introduction about dye reduction test, then the methylene blue reduction test, eh, principle, procedure, then the grading of milk based on MBRT, then the 10 minutes rhesus urine reduction test, RRT, principal procedure grading of milk based on RRT, then the advantages and disadvantages of dye reduction test, then conclusion, and the last one is reference. Introduction of dye reduction test. Dye reduction test is basically performed to find out the bacterial contamination of milk. Then the dye reduction tests are based on the bacterial dehydrogenases activity. Dehydrogenases are mainly flavin type of enzyme which transfer hydrogen from a substrate to biological acceptors or redox dyes, which then undergo a color change. When the bacterial cells multiply, they consume dissolve oxygen, and hence the dyes act an electron acceptor instead of oxygen. As more and more oxygen is consumed, the redox potential shows a decline, and these decreases in redox potential changes the color of the dye from colored state to leucoform, or we can simply call it the colorless state. Such dyes are known as the leucoform dyes. In leucoform dyes, we can include the methylene blue and the rhesus urine. The test for reduction of dyes, which depend on the enzyme activity, has been used as an index of the number of bacteria present in milk. The reduction time is inversely related to the bacterial count of the sample. Then the methylene blue reduction test, MBRT. The word MBRT stands for the methylene blue reduction test, and this test is basically performed in the microbiological analysis and for the raw milk, for to check the quality of raw milk. Then the principle. So here we see like what is the principle and what are the things which we requiring and how it will perform. Basically, this test is based on what we can say, the name itself, that is the reduction. So what happens? We are using here a methylene blue, which is a blue color dye. So it is a or oxidation reduction potential dye. We can say it oxidation or reduction. So what happens basically, due to the presence of microorganism in the milk, the dye will be changing its color. So what happens, the color which is imparted into the milk, we know that the milk is white in color, and when we are going to add the methylene blue in milk, so the so which is the dye and blue in color. When it is added to the milk, it is look like a blue in color, so that the discoloration can be less or can be more according to the contamination of bacteria in milk. Second thing is like the removal of oxygen from the milk that leads to the formation of reducing substances, that is due to the bacterial metabolism. Means in a log phase, bacterial growth rate and their metabolic activity is constant. Due to the metabolic activity, when the bacteria in their growing stage, then they will be synthesizing more molecules, and they will be breaking down some molecules, so together the form of metabolism. So due to the that lead to the color discoloration. Then the third thing which will be responsible for the different agencies which is going further responsible for oxygen consumption, that is the oxidation reduction bacteria, which have been present in the milk and needing oxygen for their growth and metabolism. So due to that also the discoloration can occurs. The next is not like that is it's going to be the same for all the milk. If we are using, it will going to vary from species to species, like what kind of organism are present, what number, like how many quantities, so that totally depends upon the number of organism species and of species of organism which are present in the milk. So thus the time which has been taken that is the reduction, is measured of or number of organisms present into the milk. That we can say there are very few microorganisms present in the milk. Maybe the discoloration will take more time, and if there are more microorganisms present in milk, then it will taking a very fast. Then the procedure. uh, Before discussing about the procedure, we know, like in microbiology, the thing which are will use for the analysis, first it should be sterilized. Means all things like pipette, test tubes holders, which is used for for the MBRT test, should be pre-sterilized. Then the procedure, uh, taking 1 ml of methylene blue in a test tube. Like you can keep one as a control and one will be your test, and then we'll have to add 10 ml of milk sample which we need to analyze. You can see in the picture, the one is the first one is a control and the second one is the our test tube. We have to immediately keep it into the water bath and maintaining the water bath temperature at 37 degrees centigrade. This step is very important because here we will keeping in this temperature will immediately stop the bacterial metabolism or the bacterial activity, and we will get the result accurately. And then after that, you will have to record the results after every half an hour. It means after a duration of 30 minutes. Then the grading of milk based on MBRT as per the BIS standards. So ideally what happens if you get the discoloration is in less than 5 hours, it means the quality of raw milk is very good. And if the discoloration gets between 3 to 4 hours, then the raw milk having good quality. If the discoloration in 1 to 2 hours, then that means the raw milk having fair quality. And if the time taken for the discoloration of milk is less than half an hour or 30 minutes and below, the quality of raw milk is very poor and it has been fit for rejection in dairy. After MBRT, the second dye reduction test, which we will perform, the 10 minutes Rhesus urine test, which is also called the RRT. Introduction of RRT. Rhesus urine dye is a blue dye itself, and it becomes irreversible pink color, that is resorufine. And if there is a microbial contamination in milk, then the dye becomes further colorless, and thus it is called the hydroxy resorufine. Then the principle of RRT, rhesus urine reduction test. Rhesus urine dye, which is blue in color at the oxidation reduction potential of plus 0.3 volts, undergoes an irreversible change to pink color compound, which is called the resorufine, when the redox potential reduces to plus 0.2 volts. When the redox potential is reduced further to plus 0.1 volts or less, the color of the dye changes to colorless, which is called the dihydroresorufine, which is a reversible reaction. Usually, the degree of a reduction of the dye is measured after a fixed time of incubation of milk sample. In the presence of dye, the reduction of dye to a particular shades of the color is dependent upon the extent of depletion of oxygen by metabolic activity of the microorganisms. The color changes is measured with the help of a Lovibond color comparator and a standard Rhesus urine disc. Then the procedure of RRT. Take 10 ml of milk into a test tube and add 1 ml of working solution of Rhesus urine solution. Then they put airtight closure to prevent oxygen from entry, and then we are kept test tube in inverted form for the proper mixing of milk and Rhesus urine solution. Then they place the test tube in a thermostatically maintained water bath at 37 plus minus 0.5 degree Celsius, and note down the time of incubation, that is 10 minutes or 1 hour. At the end of the incubation, match the color of the milk with one of the color standard of rhesus urine disc type equation. Then the grading of milk based on the RRT as per Bureau of Indian Standards. The first table contains the rhesus urine disc number and the quality of milk. If the rhesus urine disc number obtained is 4 or higher, then the quality of milk is good. If the rhesus urine disc number is comes 3 to 1, the quality of milk is fair, and if rhesus urine disc number comes to 2 and below, the quality of milk is poor. The second table in the second table, the disc number, color, and bacterial quality of milk is showing. If the disc number comes 6 and the colors comes blue, then the bacterial quality of milk is excellent. Then and the if 5 number comes, then the bacterial quality of milk is very good, and so on. If the disk number is showing 0, and the color is white, then the bacterial quality of milk is will be very bad. Then the advantages of dye reduction test. Dye reduction test used for the estimating the suitability of milk for liquid consumption. These tests are cheaper and less time is required. In case of standard plate count (SPC), clumps of microbes are recorded as one colony, whereas the rate of decolorizing of dye is due to the combined metabolic effect of each bacterium in the clump. With the help of these tests, the activity is measured rather than the number of bacteria. Unlike the artificial media used in standard plate count, in milk the natural environment for microbes is present. In case of RRT, the results can be measured in a shorter time. Some of the bacteria capable of reducing the dye may not develop colonies on the medium used in standard plate count. Then disadvantages of dye reduction test. Rate of reduction of dye varies considerably, and it's related to species and the rate at which different microorganisms grow at a particular temperature. Inhibitory substances like penicillin and other antibiotics prevents the growth of bacteria and thus increases the reduction time, and comes the false result. Not suitable for classifying milk with the low bacterial count of less than 10 raised to power 5 per ml. Reduction time capability may vary because of variation in a proportion of bacteria carried into cream layer by rising fat globule. These tests do not give the indication for the type of microorganism present in the milk or any other liquid product. Temperature of incubation used during this test is not the optimum for a majority of the microorganisms present in milk, not suitable for testing quality of pasteurized milk, intended for processing because of the low number of microorganisms, requiring continuous attention until reduction takes place. Then the last one is a conclusion. Methylene blue reduction test is a rapid, sensitive, and a low-cost yet a simple quantification method to evaluate viable count during a growth experiment. It is widely used in dairy industry to determine the microbial load in the milk. The test is useful in assessing the bacteriological quality of milk by determination of the time taken for the reduction of methylene blue in milk. Indicated by its color change. With the help of these tests, the activity is measured rather than the number of bacteria. The shorter time required for the disappearance of the blue color is indicative of a higher microbes load. It is a simple, rapid, and inexpensive test. Then the reference. Thank you.